So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So guys, first you have to come gigabyte.com and then you can see this is search box in the right side. Just click it and then enter your model number of motherboard B760M CV2 and then hit enter. Then click on the title of this motherboard B760M CV2. That on click. Then click on support. So this is your motherboard. Select your operating system which is using Windows 10 and 11. So both installations process same. Yeah. So select operating system, Bluetooth driver, and click to download. So it is completed. Then single click to open, and this is exe. So you can extract any specific folder, otherwise you can install directly. So you have to double click. Yes. Now this is installing Bluetooth driver and then close it.